You can plan the drills, prepare the ponies, sharpen your instincts. You can ready yourself for anything. Except the rain. Every moment counts. Every practice session, every gallop, every swing. Is a step towards greatness. But on this day, the clouds had their own plans. The sky didn't ask for permission. It poured. This is not just a story about horses and riders. This is a story about pressure, about change, about choosing to keep moving forward when everything tells you to stop. This is what it means to be chased by the rain. The Reckless team had a plan. Open fields, full speed, all-out polo drills. But leading up to Saturday, the heavens started whispering, then roaring. Paul Laker, the driving force behind Reckless Polo, had a decision to make. Push through or pull the team into cover. With slick grass and horse safety on the line, the call was made. Plan A. Undercover training. Adapt or risk it all. The team pivoted fast. The stables shifted. The gears moved. Grooms, players, horses all had to sync with the new rhythm.
Which one do you want, dear? Come and check for you.
Like sure, get out your list.
Where did we put them together with running race? Then we so like that, eh?
Fine, that's not going to go anywhere.
Okay, bilang gala.
Inside the arena, the game changed. The surface was different, the space tighter, the echoes louder, the expectations unchanged. Some players found their footing. One newbie stood tall, rising to the challenge. Others struggled. Frustration kicked in, a misplaced swing, a horse hit, a breath held. Ice followed, the day was cold.
She's not gonna like it.
But quitting, that never made it onto the schedule. Behind every smooth ride is the rough work no one sees. Gordon Black, Reckless Polo Team manager and silent general, had to hold the line. When the storm rolls in, it's not just the players who adjust. The horses feel it, they respond. And the people who know them best step up. The Reckless grooms and staff handled it all, quietly, skillfully,
Let's get ready for glory.
relentlessly. Back at home base, soaked fields meant no ponies. But practice still on. On the ground, on the wooden horse, on repetition. Because when you're building a winning team, you don't just stop because it's hard. You lean in. The Reckless team found strength in the switch-up, muscle memory, team trust, new drills, one moment at a time. They say character is revealed in the storm. And on this day, Reckless Polo stood tall. Being chased by the rain didn't break them, it built them. Every cancelled drill, every tough call, every wet saddle and frozen ankle was a chapter in their story, because this sport, this team, these people, they don't train just for the sunny days. They train for the chaos. They train for anything. So maybe it's not just about outrunning the rain. Maybe it's about learning to ride through it. What would you do if your dreams were being chased by the rain?